Today we've got a 2009 Volkswagen Beetle fitted with a 1.4 petrol engine with roughly 94,000 miles on the clock. As part of the service on this Volkswagen Beetle today, we're going to be replacing the air filter which is in this box here, and to access that it looks like we need to take this plastic cover off. So we'll start by removing this next. We've got a couple of screwdrivers here for undoing the fixings that hold the top on the airbox. Also got a magnet to take the screws out once we've undone them to save dropping them and losing them. Before you get to that though, you need to remove the engine cover, which is held on by 5mm Allen key bolts, which you can use just a regular Allen key. Mine's on a socket and a ratchet. I've got a blower here for blowing the airbox out, any bits of debris that may be in there. You could use a vacuum cleaner if you haven't got an airline. Price wise, for an air filter element, I used an aftermarket one, which you should be able to pick up between £10 and £15 depending on which brand you go for. I've got a 5mm Allen key here. It's on a socket, but you can use a regular Allen key. I think it's just 4 bolts, sorry. 1, 2, 3. That's a bit broken there. It looks like they all hold it on, but I think there's only 2. That one doesn't seem to be doing a lot. No, in fact that one's just pulling out. I think the thread's gone in the cam cover. Oh, that one's a long one. Put that on that side. That's it, one engine cover removed. It looks like we've got an emissions pipe there, which I'll unclip. Just lay that down there. Now it looks like we've got 3 Phillips screws to undo. I'll just grab my magnet and get those screws out of the way so I don't lose any. And I'm hoping this flips up. Has it got clips down the back? Ah, it's got a cable tie on the back this side. Looks like that's the original fixings may be broken, so I'll snip that cable tie off. So the emissions hose is on the end here. It should just come off. Only pushes on, rubber hose. And out we come. Oh, there's actually another screw there, which wasn't done up. One air filter removed. Doesn't actually look too bad. Right, before I go any further, I'm going to put that oil filler cap back on. I'm going to cover up the inlet, so I don't want anything going down there. And if you look in here, there are a few bits of debris which need to come out really, ideally. So, I mean, if you're at home, you'd probably use a vacuum cleaner. I'm just going to use the airline here to blow them out. Sorry about the noise. So I've got the new air filter here. The old one actually didn't look too bad, but the customer has requested everything be changed as part of the service. So we're going to go ahead and refit this one. This new one. Just make sure there's no little bits in here. That's all clean. Doesn't seem to want to sit in there very well. It's not a genuine Volkswagen part, this one. This is an aftermarket filter. As long as you take your registration number with you when you go to your outlet or dealer, they should be able to recommend the correct parts for your particular vehicle. There's a little groove for that to locate into, which is a little bit fiddly. I think that's got it. Now, the back of this, yeah, it looks like there's a few bits missing off of here. Ah, maybe the fixing screws have broken away, hence the cable tie. That back on there. I'll grab the 3 screws. Can't really see what I'm doing there. guess this filter's probably been, this box has been apart quite a few times in the car's life. 15 years old now, this vehicle. Right, before I go too mad, I need to see if I can locate another cable tie in this back corner to pull it down. Oh, that's it. Well, seems to do the job. Air filter looks like it's in seated correctly. There was another screw there that wasn't done up. I'm not sure if it will do up, but I'll just see if I can find a small Phillips. Yeah, seems to do up. Probably got forgotten about last time. Yeah, let's pull that side down. Clip that back in there. And we're done. We'll just get the cover on next. Okay, so let's get this cover back on. So that bolt doesn't look like it's done a great deal for a long time. You can see by the orange colour there, it's been jiggling around. I think the thread is damaged in the aluminium cover. It's not an absolute necessity, but I'm going to put a little bit of PTFE tape around it just to see if that'll help take up any intolerance. I guess ideally you could re-tap the thread slightly bigger, get a slightly bigger bolt to go in there. But like I say, it's purely for a plastic cover panel. Might just give it something to bite into. This helps a little bit. Won't go too mad with that one, just in case. And that's it, all back together. I generally road test the car after I've done any work. just to make sure it's running as it should be.